Alex Santos had always dreamed of a brighter future. When a scholarship opportunity in Singapore finally arrived, it seemed like the answer to everything.
Okay class, makinig muna ang lahat. So before we end today's session, I would like to congratulate one of our students. Alex Santos has qualified for the Global Youth Scholarship Program in Singapore for incoming college students.
But while the world was opening its doors to him, his family was struggling at home.
Wala. Gising ka pa ba?
Opo ma, gising pa. Kayo po ba?
Faced with the choice between chasing his dreams and staying for the people he loves, Alex must decide what truly matters.